Hello, everybody. Some of you guys have asked if I could make a tutorial on how to make a snowflake. We are doing a snowflake competition in my advisory class. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I do, how I fold my paper, and kind of my method. Okay, so here, this is kind of what it ends up looking like. You just cut random places, and then when you open it up, that's the fun part. You might get something like this, or you might get something like this. So this has been pretty fun. So let me show you what I do. Now the trick is to try to cut as many little patterns as possible to get all of these cool holes and all these patterns that show up on your snowflake. So to start off, you start off with any rectangle sheet of paper, and then you need to make a square. So you're going to pick a corner, and you're going to fold it all the way down, and then you are going to cut off this rectangle. Okay, so it can just be a regular white sheet of paper. It can be notebook paper if you like. So again, rectangle, fold this corner all the way down, make that crease, and then cut off this rectangle. So once you cut it off, you'll have something like this. Switch colors on you. When you open it up, it's going to be a square. Okay, a perfect square. All right, so you can keep it creased, and what you're going to do is make this this big triangle a smaller triangle by folding this over like this. Make another triangle, and then have it pointing down. Okay, and then you're going to choose one of your corners, and you are going to fold it up like this. Okay, choose a corner, or you can do it this way, fold it up. Okay, so again, triangle pointing down, choose a corner, fold it up, choose the other corner, and then fold it the opposite way. So if you went to the back, fold this way forward, or if you folded this forward, then fold the other one back. Okay, so fold this up like this. Okay, so I folded now. Now you have this super sharp arrow. Okay, so let me show you again. Triangle pointing down, pick a corner, fold it up. Get the other corner, go the opposite direction, fold it up as well. Okay, it looks like that. Got an arrow. Okay, now grab your pair of scissors, and you're going to chop the corner off. Lost my scissors. Okay, scissors. You're going to chop this part off. So it's no longer an arrow, it is a pizza slice. So this makes it so that when you open it up, it's going to be circular for our snowflake. And this is the fun part. You're going to be creative, and you're going to cut in as many random shapes as you like. So again, here's one. I just cut all these random shapes in there, and when you open it up, it's kind of a nice surprise. And again, the trick for this, making the most intricate, fancy looking snowflake, is to cut a lot off. Okay, you're trying to cut a lot of this paper out. So you have all of these holes and all of these patterns that you can see. Okay, you can use both sides. The only thing is you don't want to make a cut that goes all the way across. Okay? Be careful with your scissors. You can also make a cut on the top too. So if you want to do like a triangle or something up there, that'll look nice as well. You know, I won't make you watch me do this. Be right back. Here's an update. Here's another update. All right, this is what I'm left with. Cut out all these random designs. So now it's time for the big reveal. So be careful unraveling it. Interesting. Interesting so far. Okay, and then you might need like a flat surface area to kind of push down on it. And this is what I'm left with. All right, well, good luck making your snowflake. You can send me a picture of it when you're done. You can show me in advisory. You can show me in during class, maybe before class, after class, maybe not during class. All right, have fun.